Okay, people, today I brought my sister because she wanted to see the bees from up close. This is my sister. Let me show you. Happy. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger on her, the suit, I know, because it's mine, but it's okay. Alright, so she wants to look at the bees, people. So I'm going to open up a little bit, but not too much. I don't really want to disturb them and make them go wild. So, I don't know, you want to come over here? Come here. Get over here. Don't be afraid, get on this side. Right here. Get right there. You see the camera there? Alright. So I'm going to open it. You see inside because she's never seen inside. Well, she's just gonna see a little bit. Remember, people, these are not pets. These are not like dogs or cats that you could pet. They're beautiful insects, but they're not meant to be petted or nothing like that. But you could look at them and admire the beauty of nature. That's all. Getting late right now, people. It's like around 7 right now, so they're all like all the foliage store. The ones that go out and look for food and look for pollen, they're all coming back home. They call them foliage stores, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm sorry, people. But there, you can see them up here all in the top. I really don't want to open it up because we'll just disturb them. They might jump out. Or maybe not. You want me to open it?
It's up to you.
Let me see if they're not. Let me see. I'm going to try to open it really slow. If they jump out, I'm going to close it back up. I don't know. Now, working with bees, you gotta move real slow, people. You can't move fast. They have it really glued on, so I don't know if it's a good idea for you. Alright. You gotta open it really slow, people. Hopefully they won't jump out. People, see, they don't like it. They're all over the place.
They know you. Well, obviously.
No, they don't know me. They just, you cannot show fear to these animals. If you show fear, they can smell the fear from your pores. So when you're around these honeybees, basically any type of animal, you never want to show fear to them. I'm going to try to show you a little bit inside, people. Look at this bee, it's trying to get inside of. It's actually, let me tell you something else about bees, people. Not only can they sting you, but they can bite. They got like front little, you don't call them teeth, but they can actually bite. Let me show you how many of them there are in there right now. Okay, let me move the camera. Hopefully you can see them. You hear them buzzing? I don't know if you could pick them up, people, but look at them. You see how many of them are there? You see? There are thousands of them, people, you see? Thousands of them.
Yeah, most of them are children.
And in the bee world, 95% of the bees are girls and 5% are males. Because the males, they're only good to inseminate the girl queen when she's a virgin. They inseminate her one time in their life and that's it, they're done, they're dead. And the males, they don't go out looking for food. Actually, the males have to be fed by the girls, so they really don't play out much. But if it wasn't for the males, then the colony wouldn't exist, because the virgin queen needs to get inseminated by 14, 15 male drones. That's what they're called, drones. So I guess that device that you see go up in the air that they call drones, I guess they call it drones because of the male drone bees. I guess, I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. See, they're calm now. At first they were really mad. You see, around bees you gotta be calm, people. You cannot be like acting all crazy or scared. Okay, people, I hope you enjoy.
This one's next to me.
Yeah, but don't be scared. Usually those are guard bees, the ones that get really mad. So we're gonna close it up, people, right now.
And wish him a happy birthday, people, the bee man.
Oh yeah, that was my birthday. And my brother's over there. Look at him.
Hi, Joseph.
Okay, people. I hope you enjoy. Have a great night.